Welcome to CyberSquare, where students become creators. CyberSquare is a UK-based company trusted by more than 300,000 students and over 400 schools across India, the Middle East, the UK, and Canada. Our mission is simple: to transform students from users of technology into creators of it. Even our name tells a story. The word cyber stands for everything digital: computers, the internet, and virtual reality, while Square represents our 4 strong pillars. Our textbooks make coding and AI simple and fun. Our coding platform LMS helps students learn and practice. Our STEM AI Robo Project Suite gives hands-on experience. And our Digital Fest provides a global stage for young innovators. We've led the way by introducing coding in UAE schools in 2014, bringing AI to grade 2 classrooms in 2018, and launching the first AI lab in UAE schools in 2019. In 2022, we set a Guinness World Record, and in 2023, we earned a Wonder Book of World Records honor for hosting an inclusive Digital Fest. We are also proud to be STEM accredited, recognizing our excellence in education. At CyberSquare, we're building a community of creators, innovators, and future leaders. This is CyberSquare, a name with a purpose, a story, and a mission to transform users into creators.